Have you ever been stuck on a highway where only one toll booth is open? The line of cars gets longer, the wait gets painful, and everyone's frustrated. Now imagine if 10 booths were already open. Cars just drive through smoothly. That's the exact difference between opening a new database connection for every request versus using a connection pool. Hello everybody, this is Vik Bharata. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. In this video, I'll show you why connection pooling feels like magic for backend developers, speeding up apps, saving resources, and keeping your database healthy. Here's what happens without pooling. Your backend receives a request, it opens a brand new database connection. That connection handshake takes time. It's like filling out paperwork before you even drive through the toll. Now imagine thousands of requests per second. Each one opens and closes its own connection. This leads to slower response times, wasted CPU and memory, and a database that's overwhelmed by constant handshakes. Connection pooling fixes this. Instead of creating a new connection every time, your app keeps a pool, say 10, 20, or even 100 connections ready to go. When a request comes in, it just borrows a connection from the pool, runs the query, and then puts it back. No handshake, no wait. It's like opening multiple toll booths in advance. Cars, as an example requests, keep flowing. The toll system, in this example database, is not overloaded. Everyone moves faster and smoother. In nodejs with PostgreSQL, enabling pooling is just a few lines of config, where in this example, we are just setting maximum number of connections in the pool as 20. We can even set 30 or 40 based on your application needs. So with this setting, 20 toll booths are always open for your application, which is like having maximum 20 connections open from this connection pool. Also, let's take an example with MongoDB, which again works the same way. By default, it uses pooling, but you can configure it as its maximum pool size as 20 in this example. So next time you are building a backend app, remember, connection pooling is like keeping toll booths open. Instead of wasting time opening and closing gates for every single car, your requests just pass through smoothly. If this helped you understand one of those hidden superpowers of backend development, hit that like button so more developers can discover it. And don't forget to subscribe. I have got plenty more short backend explainers coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.